In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if function in Google Sheets. This function is incredibly useful when you're working with data and need to categorize or differentiate values based on specific conditions. It's a way to make your data do more for you by automatically displaying results depending on whether a condition is true or false. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to type an equal sign followed by if to initiate the function. This tells Google Sheets you're about to write a condition that needs evaluation. Next, you'll open a parenthesis to start specifying the criteria or logical expression that the function will check. In our example today, we're going to set the condition to evaluate whether a score in a neighboring cell is a pass or fail. We'll assume pass means a score of 50 or above, while fail is anything below 50. Assuming your data is arranged in a way where the score you're evaluating is in cell D33, your condition would be cell D33 is greater than or equal to 50. You efficiently write this as D33 50. After typing in this logical expression, you'll need to add a comma. This separates your condition from the values you want to return based on whether that condition is true or false. Now, let's specify what should happen if the condition is true. So if the score in cell D33 is indeed 50 or more, we want the cell with the formula to display the word pass. You must put this word in quotation marks in the formula to signal that it's a literal string value. After inserting another comma, you're ready to define what happens if the condition is false. Here, in our scenario, if the score is below 50, we want the cell to display fail, again using quotation marks. So now your complete formula inside the cell should look like cell if D33 50 pass fail. Double-check your formula for any typos or missing elements like commas and quotation marks, as these can cause errors. Once everything looks good, press Enter, and you should see pass or fail, depending on the score in cell D33. And that's all there is to it. With this simple but powerful function, you can quickly categorize or sort through data without manually checking each value. It not only saves time, but also reduces errors in data handling. As you get more comfortable using the if function, you'll find it handy for a variety of applications, from grading systems to sales targets and beyond. So give it a try with your dataset, and you'll see just how much more sophisticated and dynamic your spreadsheets can become.